Welcome to part 2 of a 3 series episodes where we explore the third eye. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, I highly recommend you to watch it first than this one so you can better connect with the foundation of this journey. As we continue, I ask you to approach this with an open mind, release the judgment, and see things as they truly are. In this video, I invite you to awaken to infinite possibilities. Let's explore what's living in the now, physically and mentally. Your mind doesn't know any other time than now. Your mind, or the way that you process the information, is being through and as you exist in this realm of possibilities. And your focus on certain experiences is what shapes the reality that you live on. But all that is processed within the only moment of now or the present time. What's the past and what's the future? So when you want to shift your mindset and then you start affirming something that is not related to our current state, then how do you deal with the challenging thoughts? Physically, so far, there is no way that your body can be in the past. You are only here. Your existence, your presence is in the eternal present of now. So when you are accessing to thoughts or events that you believe that you have lived in the past, what you are doing is, as you are thinking on them, or as you're thinking of the process of the past events, they are being relived in your imagination. You are accessing to those events through the power of your imagination, where you have placed these events in a specific location that you call memory. When you're accessing to the memories of your past, you are acting right now, and you are even reliving those events in your mind. And when you are reliving or living again these events because you are remembering what you believe happened to you in the past, this fires emotional responses that your body can perceive. For example, if you are accessing memories where an event was very funny, then you will see that that even triggers certain conditions or emotional responses where you will feel the urge to laugh or even just hold a smile. But you can't deny the fact that all these experiences are only lived in the current present of the now. And by this, we can conclude something. We can imagine the past, we can imagine the future, but there is one thing that we can't. We cannot imagine the present now. So let's explore this deeper. If all we have is the present of now, why don't we control our thoughts in order for us to pave the path of the past so impacts our future? Let me explain that again. If all we live is in the present moment of now, and we are certain that we come from a past or past experiences that led us to our current mental state, why don't we shift our mindset in order to align with what we truly desire? If you wish to have better health, and you believe that your health has been deteriorated through certain actions or experiences or conditions that you have developed through time from the past, and we are currently in the present now, and we know that eventually our now it's going to become our past, and we will access to our future now, then why not shifting your mindset to a current state where you are enjoying perfect health? If all we have is the now, then why not claiming the present moment of now every time we think about an idea or a wish as our current reality? In the end, all we're doing is paving the path for the future, right? Let's explore this with certain variations. When we think of an idea or when we have a true desire, we have all these conceived beliefs that we have accumulated through time based on what we have been learning by ourselves, of experiences, what we have learned through our culture, our surroundings or environment, and our beliefs. So when you are affirming or trying to affirm a new concept or idea that is not related to what you consider is your current or physical reality, then many thoughts come into play or many thoughts interfere with that statement that you are trying to believe. If you are saying I'm perfectly healthy and you currently don't feel perfectly healthy, then you will have all these intrusive thoughts that will say, no, but you're not healthy. You're not healthy because the doctor said X, Y, and Z. You're not healthy because you are struggling with this pain. You're not healthy because, oh, look at you, how you look. Or, oh, look how you feel. But in the end, all these are beliefs, and by such, you can change them. Let me reframe this. We are certain that we come from the past. We come from the past into this present reality. So technically, we are in this moment in the future of our past, in the past of nows. So when you are accessing this new mindset, you start to hear this noise at the back of your head that tells you that your current reality does not align with what you want to achieve or what you are stating, because your current conviction is different than the new statement that you're trying to shift. But all it takes is focus and persistence. All you need is to work around your current beliefs and challenge those thoughts. Remember, you don't have to believe your negative thoughts. They are just there to provide you light. And by this, once you identify that that's not something that aligns with what you wish, then they're going to fade away in the ether. Think about this. Your desired state in the future is going to eventually be your present now. So work now, because this is all we have. Work right now in what you want to achieve or what you truly desire and wish for your future to manifest into reality. Repetition, focus, and conviction or belief is what shapes our perception of our current state or reality. It is time to awaken to infinite possibilities. See you on the next one.